So passed the inspection. This thing is super nice. I don't know, it just needs like a little bit and it would be a 10 out of 10. Like some new wheels and a good paint job would even be that much really. And it would just pop. But, you know, I still want to, I don't know, I need to keep it at a certain emotional distance, I guess, because I want to take it to the track for sure. Yeah, that angle kit came out pretty good, pretty spot on. Definitely changes how the car drives for sure. Gonna weld up the diff next, and I got some ideas about the rear toe point. What I did with the steering stop calibration, I guess 3D printed parts, was when I measured the first time, it was at like 1 1/10, and it was touching. The lower control arm was touching the knuckle. So I made from 1 1/10 all the way to 1 1/2 in 50 thou increments, and I'll put those in the description so you can get them 3D printed if you want to do the same thing. This is about all I'm gonna do cosmetically. I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm not even gonna lower it. I think it's fine right now with the stock settings from that were in the manual. I think I want to put one of those little air scoop things on the front, just because I think it looks cool. I'm pretty sure it doesn't do anything, but we'll see.